everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. It's not my kitchen, it's my mother's kitchen because I can't afford my own kitchen. Anyways, since it is now winter in Canada, it decided to snow early, I thought I would show you guys the recipe that I have for the best hot chocolate in the world. Literally everyone I make this for says it's the best thing they've ever tasted in their life, so I'm gonna share it with you. Okay, so what you're gonna need is some measuring spoons, chocolate chips or any type of chocolate. I don't know if you have dietary restrictions, use vegan chocolate, whatever. Some marshmallows. If you don't like marshmallows, then don't use them, but whatever, you can have some marshmallows. I use almond milk for this recipe because I don't drink actual milk, but if you drink actual milk, then like that's fine, use actual milk or any other dietary restriction you have, like some form of milk product. Some brown sugar, cayenne pepper is also optional, but you're gonna wanna use it because it is real good. You'll see some cinnamon and some vanilla extract. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna wanna put into your medium saucepan is 3 cups of your milk, whatever milk you're using. So this recipe will make 4 cups. So if you have 4 people you want to share with, it's gonna make 4. And then you're gonna put 1.5 cups of chocolate, whatever chocolate you're using. If you want to use Lindt chocolate because you're bougie and have lots of money, then go ahead. But I'm using chocolate chips. Put it on a medium heat and keep stirring it while the chocolate melts. You do not want it to boil because then the chocolate will burn and then it will taste like crap. So do not let it boil. If you see that it is getting really hot and it's about to boil, then you can always just turn down the heat. Okay. And then while the chocolate is melting, you want to add your other ingredients. We are going to do 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then the cinnamon I usually just do like 1 thin coating across the top until it kind of just fills up the area. And then a pinch of cayenne pepper. Again, this is optional, not a lot of people like spice, but it adds a really nice kick to the chocolate and it tastes really good. Trust me, add it and try it, you'll love it. And then just keep mixing it together. Alright, and once the chocolate has fully melted, then you can pour it into cups. And then lastly, you put your marshmallows in. If you like marshmallows, I think there's a such thing as vegan marshmallows nowadays, you know? So you can get those too. And if you're extra, you can light it on fire. And there you have it. The best frickin' hot chocolate in the world. I dare you to try it. Subscribe and like this video and leave a comment in the comment section below if you actually tried it and you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.